The outbreak of Mpox, especially among children in Eastern and Southern Africa, raised alarm. According to a UNICEF report, children and vulnerable communities were at the sharp end of an expanding outbreak. UNICEF said that over 200 confirmed cases were detected across 5 countries: Burundi, Rwanda, Uganda, Kenya, and South Africa during August. Burundi reported the highest number of infections across the region. As of the 20th of August 2024, 170 confirmed Mpox cases were detected across 26 out of the 49 districts in the country. As cases of Mpox surged, the Africa CDC vowed to supply 10 million doses by 2025. According to the Africa Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, till August, 3,101 confirmed and 15,636 suspected cases were reported from 12 African Union countries, resulting in 541 deaths, a fatality rate of 2.89%. The hardest hit country, the Democratic Republic of Congo, where the new clade 1B strain was first detected in September 2023.
We are trying to control the situation a little. As we are seeing the sick people, these are the sick who came to us barely 2 days ago. We have already established treatment, their management according to the national protocol, the treatment of which is still symptomatic.
More cases have been reported since the beginning of the year than all of 2023, which saw a total of 14,383 cases, and that's according to the Africa CDC. Mpox is a viral disease that can spread from animals to humans, but also human to human through sexual or close physical contact. Symptoms include fever, muscular aches, and large boil-like skin lesions. It was a double whammy for the continent. While the continent was battered by Mpox outbreaks, a report published by the World Health Organization in August showed that the number of deaths caused by cholera surged. From the 1st of January to the 29th of September 2024, a total of 127,283 cholera cases were reported across 17 countries in the African region. During this period, the highest number of over 25,000 cases was reported from the Democratic Republic of Congo, Ethiopia, and Zambia, with over 20,000 cases came next. During the same period, a total of 2,268 deaths were reported from 14 countries, with the highest number recorded in Zambia with over 600 deaths. Africa contributes only a small share of global greenhouse gas emissions, but bears the brunt of climate change. This impacts food security, ecosystems, and economies, drives displacement, migration, and intensifies conflicts over shrinking resources. The 2023-2024 El Niño triggered severe drought across southern Africa, with delayed rains, prolonged dry spells, and extreme heat. Nearly 23 million people faced severe food insecurity, with Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, and Mozambique hardest hit. 6 countries, Botswana, Lesotho, Malawi, Namibia, Zambia, and Zimbabwe, have declared national drought disasters. On the other hand, in 2024, 27 countries in Africa's tropical zone saw rainfall far exceeding historical averages. According to Africa's Center for Strategic Studies, flooding from this heavy rain affected around 11 million people, causing 2,500 deaths. 4 million people were displaced. Millions of hectares of cropland were submerged. Hundreds of thousands of livestock were lost. 10 million children in Niger, Nigeria, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and Mali were unable to attend school due to flooding or schools being repurposed for displaced people. While West and Central Africa's rainy season typically lasts from June to September, Severe flooding continued into November in central and southern Chad, northern Cameroon, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, central and southern Mali, southern Niger, northern Nigeria, Senegal, and northern Sierra Leone. Kenya was hit hard by El Niño-induced rainfall and subsequent flooding. More than 400,000 people were affected, including the displacement of 40,000 households living in Nairobi's informal settlements. The 2.4 million people displaced due to floods have compounded the strain felt from Africa's record 45 million forcibly displaced people, largely as a result of conflict.